Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we had finished in the last video, two properties related to whole number. Now in today's video we'll learn more in property, but before we start we will revise with closure property and commutative property. Closure property says that if any two whole numbers are added, then the answer will come, that will be also a whole number. Then in commutative property we had studied that when two whole numbers are added in any order, the answer will come same. In multiplication also, if two whole numbers are multiplied in any order, the answer will come same. Now let us move further. That is associative property. Again student, I am telling you that this properties again it will repeat in 7th standard also, और आगे जो chapters आएगा उसमें भी repeat होगा, so be careful. So now associative property in that addition. So in associative property it says that if any three whole numbers added in any order, the answer will come, that will be same. जिसे यहाँ पे मैं ब्रैकेट कर देता हूँ like this. So if I add a plus b first and then add c, or if I add in this manner, the answer will come same. ओके कोई भी थ्री होल नंबर्स को आप कोई भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करो, द आंसर विल नॉट change. So this is your associative property of addition, that if you add any three whole numbers in any order, the answer will not change. Let us see with the example that 4 plus 7 plus 11 or 4 plus 7 plus 11. Now we'll find out 7 plus 4 is 11, so plus 11 as it is, ये दोनों को ने ऐड कर दिया. Now here 4 as it is, 7 plus 11 is 18. So 11 plus 11 it comes to 22, and 18 plus 4 is also 22. Means कहने का मतलब वही है कि आप तीनों होल नंबर को कोई भी वे में ऐड करो. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड 4 plus 11 and then 7, then also the answer will not change. तो कहने का मतलब क्या, associative property for addition, that when you add any three whole numbers in any order, the answer will not change. Now let us see for multiplication. Now in multiplication it will be a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. कोई भी थ्री होल नंबर को कोई भी वे में मल्टीप्लाई करो, द आंसर विल कम सेम. सो एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टेक that 5 into 6 into 10 is equal to 5 into 6 into 10. So 6 5s is 30 into 10, and 5 into 6 10s are 60. Now 3 1s are 3, और ये दो ज़ीरो लग जाएंगे, so it will become 300. Now 5 6s is 30, and this 0 will come, so the answer on both the side is coming 300. So associative property for multiplication says that any three whole number multiplied in any order, the answer will not change, it will come one and the same. The next is additive identity. Now this is additive identity. It says that 0 is added to a whole number, और मीन्स एक होल नंबर कोई भी होल ले लो, उसमें अगर 0 ऐड करो, नहीं तो 0 में कोई होल नंबर ऐड करो, जो आंसर आएगा वो होल नंबर ही होगा, विल नॉट चेंज. ओके, a plus 0 करो या 0 plus a, the answer will be a. Let us see with one example, that if you add 15 plus 0 or you add 0 plus 15, the answer is 15 only. ओके, 15 प्लस 0 करोगे तो भी आंसर 15 आएगा, 0 प्लस 15 करोगे तो भी आंसर क्या आएगा, 15. तो कहने का मतलब क्या, एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी की कोई भी होल नंबर के साथ जब हम 0 ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर वो होल नंबर ही आता है, इट विल नॉट कम एनी अदर नंबर. सेम वे वी आर हैविंग मल्टीप्लिकेटिव identity. Okay, same like additive, same we are having multiplicative identity. It says that when a whole number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by a whole number, the answer will be that whole number itself. Okay, कोई भी होल नंबर ले लो, इफ यू टेक 7 into 1 करो या 1 into 7 करो, the answer is 7 only. Okay, so this is additive identity, means any whole number added to 0 or 0 added to any whole number, the answer will be that whole number. Multiplicative identity says that when any whole number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any whole number, the answer will be that whole number itself. Okay, now the next property is distributive property. It's distributive property over addition. Okay, distributive property over addition. This is also a easy property, कुछ hard नहीं है. The distributive property over addition is that a into b plus c is equal to, देखो ए कोई भी एक होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किससे, दो होल नंबर के टोटल से. सो दैट कैन बी डन एज ए इंटू बी. ये ए इंटू बी हो गया, प्लस साइन है, दैट्स वाई इट कम्स प्लस ए इंटू सी. दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर एडिशन. जब सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगा तो यहाँ पे b प्लस सी है, उसकी जगह क्या हो जाएगा, b माइनस सी. मतलब कोई भी एक होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करो दो होल नंबर के टोटल से, नहीं तो a इंटू बी करो प्लस a इंटू सी, दोनों का टोटल भी ऐड करोगे, सो द आंसर विल कम सेम, इट विल नॉट चेंज. लेट अस सी विथ वन एग्जाम्पल, दैट 6 इंटू 7 प्लस 4 या 6 इंटू 7 करो प्लस 6 इंटू 4, क्योंकि 6 बाहर है इसलिए 6 दोनों के लिए कॉमन है, इसलिए दोनों में 6 इंटू 7. सी ए इंटू बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू बी प्लस ए इंटू सी. सो 6 इंटू 7 प्लस 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 7 plus, that's why plus, and 6 into 4. Now we'll multiply and find out. 6 into 7 plus 4 is what, 11. Now 6 7s are is 42 plus 6 4s are is what, 24. 4. Now 11 6 is 66. Now 42 plus 24 will do 4 plus 2 is 6, and again 4 plus 2 is 6. See, the answer is coming C for both. So this is the distributive property और एडिशन कि कोई भी एक होल नंबर को दो होल नंबर के टोटल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, नहीं तो होल नंबर a इंटू बी करो प्लस a इंटू सी करो, ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है उसको a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना ही है, फिर आप ब्रैकेट के अंदर टोटल करके करो, नहीं तो a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी, द आंसर विल कम सेम. Okay, this is distributive property over addition. Now if you will see, that is distributive property over subtraction. Okay, distributive property over subtraction. एडिशन में इधर प्लस था तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में इधर क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों जगह माइनस, बट द मेथड विल बी that will be a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Okay, so this is the distributive property over subtraction. एडिशन में प्लस आएगा, यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन में माइनस, here also plus, so in subtraction it will be minus. बाकी सब कुछ सेम है, the process is also same. We'll take the same values. So 6 into 7 minus 4 is equal to 6 into 4 minus 6 into 7 minus 6 into 4. So here it will be 6 into 7 minus 4 is 3. It will be 42 minus 24. So 6 3s is 18, and 42 minus 24. So 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So again that is coming, that is 18. Okay student, so I hope so you have understood distributive property over subtraction and addition. It's very easy and simple, nothing hard is being there. So today we studied associative property of addition, multiplication, additive identity, any whole number added to 0 or 0 added to any whole number, the answer will be that whole number. Then multiplicative identity means when any whole number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any whole number, the answer will be that whole number only. Distributive property says that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, and over subtraction it is a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. कोई भी वे में करो, the answer will not change. So these are the properties which will be helpful for you in this class also, in the coming chapters also, and in the next classes also. So I hope so you had understood all the properties very well, because based on this only the next whole exercise is being there. इसके बाद की जितनी भी exercise है वो इसके ऊपर ही based है. अगर ये समझ में नहीं आई properties, then you cannot do exercise 2.2 and 2.3. अगर ये नहीं आया तो ये नहीं आएगी exercise. Okay, so I hope so. If you had not understood, again go through this video again and again, so that the concept will become more and more clear. So in this video this much only. In the next video we'll start with exercise 2.2. So till then, thank you and take care.